Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. We're a commercial kitchen project expert, and this is our second showroom under construction. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look at this amazing space that we have, which we're planning to put some kitchen equipments and some cutlery items and glasswares inside of our second showroom. Take a look at a big space showroom. What we're planning to do here is we plan to put down some cutlery items, some forks and knives, plates, along with some glasswares and also some decorations for restaurants or for hotels inside of our showroom over here. A combination with all the kitchen equipments on the other showroom that we have, we can completely supply all the ranges inside of a hotel's kitchen. We are at the last stage where we need to put all the equipment inside of our showroom. Now the equipment will include traditional Chinese style plates and silverwares, and it will also include Western style plates and silverwares along with glasses as well. Whether you're looking for economic solutions for your restaurants, or you have an ADD kitchen, or you have a resort, we can supply all sorts of kitchen equipments and silverwares for you. Our ranges will cover different styles, for example, banquet, ADD kitchen, restaurants, coffee and tea house, along with different budgets as well. Whether you're looking for high cost efficiency or you're looking for something more delicate, we can supply all the ranges of silverwares, cutlery items, and kitchen equipments for you. I would like to thank our INEO team for working very hard in construction for this new showroom. Right now, we're about 80% done. Now what we need to do is we need to put our products inside of our showroom so customers will be able to see our products. We're looking forward for your visit, and we'll keep on providing new updates for our new showroom. This is very exciting for us, and we hope to present the best to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for more.